No, I didn't mean to do that. I'm trying to put in the middle. There we go.
I hope Isiah built his house and won't get destroyed again. So, yeah, there's another fucking camel. Yeah, he's in a tree right there. Oh, I headshotted him. Get my arrow.
We need to make all like a wall already.
Dude. It's kind of like you chose a tree next to the hill. That wall is gonna be hard as fuck to make.
And now, kind of regretting it. Okay, well these are all the half logs, so kind of.
Me put new.
Yeah.
He'll automatically fill that up while if he's not doing anything.
Yup. I set him to him for that. It's nice. It's so good.
But there's this little trick that we can do if we put a stone right here. It'll give him more stable support, so we can get rid of this support in the middle.
Okay, so Andrew, what you want? Tangy barbecue?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
I guess I'll mine with you. I'll chop down trees.
It have to either way.
That's nothing but fucking sugar, dude.
Wait! Stop!
I can't wait until you mess with me and I threaten to cut down your tree.
Isn't that what you already do?
He's all wrong.
Cut down the tree. Yeah, just imagine how strong our character is to split a fucking a log in half.
With our bare hands.
Oh, do you know they added bears?
I did what?
Bears?
Did they?
No, I'm asking if they did.
Oh, I don't know. I don't think so.
That'd be pretty cool if they did, though.
Oh my god, I'm happy they added raccoons though. They love raccoons too.
They added raccoons?
Yes, and they have the little animations.
What?
I wonder if you can tame them, but you can chop off their heads again.
Jacob.
Yeah.
Look it.
Hey. We need to make a bounty wall.
Oh, this log's chasing me. Should I? So I can get the free medium fries. This is Friday only.
Take on me.
Copyrighted. Oh, come down. Come down, tree. You know you want it. Yeah. Can we kill each other with trees again? Or did they kick that out?
What happened?
Were you able to kill each other with trees again, or did they take that out?
What the fuck? Andrew, so the McDonald's in the Walmart is more expensive.
Alright, well, that's it. Right. Yay, thank you!
Oh.
I put it over here with the other storage.
Oh.
There's so many just stones over here. Honestly, we could like build the whole house out of this shit, bro. Holy fuck. There's so much. Okay, floor is done over here. Oh, no, you're doing that too?
It's full.
That's where the doors
Okay.
Oh,
Jacob, the Loki won't go grab the grapple gun.
Is that in a cave?
Yeah.
But because it said no caves.
God, God. Imagine having a fucking.
Dude, this is looking really nice.
I'm leaving this open, and then we're gonna build the wall right here.
I'll bet. Okay, never mind. Blueberry gives you food
Rain?
and water.
Okay, well. Is it any turtle or does it have to be a sea turtle?
Or what?
For a
Raincatcher?
yeah.
I think it's sea turtle. We have to go on a coastline.
Alright, well, I guess I'll go to the coastline then.
It's about to be night right now.
Okay. I'll be fine. It's just some turtles, some cannibals. Who knows?
Oh,
Maybe I might
fuck.
Get my dick sucked. Probably won't, but you know who knows.
There's cannibals coming. What is that noise?
I heard him. I heard
You hear that
fucker.
groan?
Yeah. I heard that fucker. Where is he at? Hey, I'll switch into the fire arrows. Oh, that hammer over there. See him?
I think there's more.
See that big fucker right there? Come here.
Oh, he's up.
No.
Wait,
Oh,
see that-
he brought down a tree.
No, he's attacking Kelvin.
No, he's fighting Kelvin. Yo, he beat him. He boxed up Kelvin. He boxed up Kelvin.
Get him up, get him up. He's dead. Nice.
Yeah, hold my arrows back.
There's an arrow on the ground right here.
Hey Jacob, I got a question.
Yeah.
You use quarter or creamer?
Fucking double A's, brother? That's so shit.
He's what?
How is that shit?
Are you use quarter or creamer?
That's here. It's stupid.
I'm gonna squirt on a good day.
Squirt on a good day? Alright.
What the fuck did I come back to?
Alright, I'm heading.
Yo, Andrew, are you a squirter or a creamer?
I'm heading down. Me and guys are gonna get sea turtle shells.
That's the question, Andrew.
How many did you keep this line open for emergencies only?
Hey, this is an emergency. The world needs to know, Andrew.
I'm gonna have to kick you off this channel.
What do you mean?
Get off fucking channel now.
Alright.
Hello, good sir.
Oh, hey. Hello, good sir.
Let's sleep.
Andrew, sleepy time. No. Rico, thank you for the follow, I think. Yo, fuck Rico. That's you. How dare you say fuck?
Rico. Sorry, Rico.
Sorry, Rico, he didn't mean it.
Sorry, Shrek. I'm
I'm sorry, Shrek. I meant it. Oh. Hey, it's safe enough to sleep nearby.
We had to fight.
Yeah.
Was that? Is that Andrew or us? Are you fighting, Andrew?
Not anymore. I'm sleeping. No, that us. Oh my god, there's a whole fucking patrol here. Damn, he's getting raped.
Right at that dock over there.
Fine. Well, actually, I guess we'll just stay up the night then.
I'll head back to you right now.
They're destroying the house. It's gone. It's all gone.
Liar.
Okay, I'm heading up now. Hello? Philip, you alive? Hello, child. Phil, I thought we lost you, Philip. Dude, I thought we lost you when the planes went down. Just a badass. You're just badass? Did you climb out of the wreckage? Yeah, I fucking killed everybody in there. You killed Colby? Why? They told me to do it. What told you? The voices. Oh, okay. Don't come to camp. Don't come to school tomorrow. Wait guys. I have something. Don't do it, please. There's another guy threw my spear at and he ran away. Ran away from.
Just took your spear and his body and left.
Yeah.
Damn. It really do be like that sometimes.
Your fire's not even on, mate.
You're white. What do you mean? It was on a second ago. Huh? No wonder meat weren't cooking. Your white keep on dying.
Wait, you're supposed to put like.
Got a
leaves
lot
or
of
something.
sticks, guys.
No, I'm eating the arm.
No, no! Fuck!
Oh, I ran out of sticks. You burn them all. There you go.
Thank you.
He's mining his brain.
Ow. Ow.
Get in water, I said, get in water.
Woo! Yeah.
Oh my god, who's not?
Kelvin? I had to climb up here. Guys, we have a problem. There's a homeless dude.
Jacob, where you going, Jacob? Come back. Come back, Jacob. Jacob, where you going?
Oh, he's drowning. Don't die. Oh.